How to screen record with microphone on iPhone. First, you'll need to install the Screen Recorder for iPhone app from the App Store. This app offers advanced features for professional quality screen recording. After installation, launch the app and you'll find a wide range of features right at your fingertips. You can also adjust the video quality using the tools provided. Tap on the red Start button to begin the recording. Make sure to turn on the microphone and select Start Broadcast to begin screen. Recording with audio. As you record, you'll see a timer on the screen. You can minimize the app and use your iPhone as usual. To stop the recording, tap the red recording button at the top left corner of your screen. After recording, you can trim, adjust volume and speed, add filters, or put stickers on your videos. Finally, select the export icon at the top right corner of the screen. You can choose your video quality and either share it on social media or save it to your photos.